Basebetsi ba bophelo ba ile ba fuwa tlotla ka ho itella ho pholosa maphelo a bakudi le ka ho tsamaya mehlaleng ya Florence Nightingale. Sepetlele sa St Barnabas se fana ka ditshebeletso ho baahi ba metseng ya mahae.
As the Eastern Cape, we chose to come here because this is one of the centers of excellence. When everybody was scared and trying to go get hiding for the COVID-19, the nurses and doctors of this hospital, they were brave enough to risk their lives and start to treat the COVID-19 patients.
Not all lost, but we must take those as our heroes and heroines who stand in the front in fighting this COVID-19. And also we know that nurses are also the last line of defense. So we really appreciate their contribution into this nursing profession.
Sepetlele sena ke sa pele sa ho oka bakudi ba 19 ba COVID-19.